Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your Binomo broker account using the ERC20 method. As you saw in the previous video, we funded our account using various methods. In this method, we intend to use ERC20 Tether. So let's click on the deposit option. Due to the existence of technical problems on the website, we do not see the ERC20 Tether option in this section. And this tether is the TRC20 Tether. Select the alternate payment option, enter the desired amount, and if you want to use a bonus code or promo code, enter it after entering. Enter the desired amount in this section, and if you want to use a bonus code or promo code, you can enter it here. After entering your first and last name, click on the deposit option. Alright, we're taken to the payment page, and here we can proceed with the deposit using various methods, and we'll choose crypto. Again, we need to enter our full name. And after entering the name, we click on Confirm and Pay. Please note that our payment will be deposited in euros through PayU, but since we have a dollar account in the Binomo broker, it will be displayed in dollars. We select Tether on the Ethereum network from the available digital assets. We go into our wallet on the mobile phone, select the desired amount, which is Tether on the Ethereum network, and click on the Send option. In the first section, we copy the desired address, and in the second section, we enter the exact amount. Alternatively, you can easily scan the displayed QR code to complete the payment. We click on the next option. On this page, we can see the sender's address, the recipient's address, the transaction fee, and the total amount. By clicking the Confirm option and entering the password, our payment request will be processed. So, as you can see, our payment request is in pending status, and we're waiting to receive the necessary confirmations. You can still view the details of this transaction in the More Details section on the Etherscan website. As you saw, our payment was completed in less than a few minutes. You can see the deposited amount in your account. To view the details of this transaction, you can click on Avatar Status in the Transaction History section. Let's take a look at the complete details of this payment. We'll be with you step by step in the upcoming tutorials. Wishing you success and profitability. Wishing you success and profitability.